Hello everyone, today I will show you how to resize an image in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this home option and click on this edit option and click on this image, and this image was selected and format option now showing here. And here you will find this image height and white option, and you unlock this proportion ratio and make this image height 200 and 350 and select it and see this image size now says. Also you can say this image size this manually this way and see this. Yeah, customly you can resize your image size or manually and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.